questions was like that.
So 2 questions, 10 marks each.
There were also many questions which was like optically visual words that would match these images. That like that questions there were around some 3 or 4 questions, sir.
Yeah, it was there.
Yeah, and most of the other questions they asked for edges in the given 3D. Find the edges in the given 3D from the given view. Find the surfaces in the given 3D like that they asked. And one rendering also, like some picture which would match with the given left and right picture like that.
Yes, I also got that. The starting was colored
That
one,
is,
and the next
you
picture was
got the
they
same
just.
question.
Yeah, it was like one picture was wholly colored, and then in the options they gave just the outline, and they told us that which is the correct picture.
Yes, sir. Question number 10th.
Yes,
Yeah.
last.
Yes, sir. Last question.
Sir, and also there
Again,
was one question. They showed the outside view, and we have to choose a picture which matches. That's actually a mural painting that's given in the option. We have to look which is a similar color scheme with the outside picture. Like they showed with a yellow thing, a board or something like that. It was like a
Yeah, even I also got that
mural painting.
question.
well, I'll tell you here what is the overall idea of another 15 minutes of this session. So, next 15 minutes, this session is totally on the strategy and planning because it's a post-exam review. First, we are discussing about questions right now. Post-question, your experience, what you think, what will be your score, Then some of you have given the test. It's an open session, so you are here. Some of you have given the test also with Ignite. So Isa has shared the experience, and I want to know, how was your experience? So what we need to improve and change, what we need to do so that we can do better in second round, because improvise and change is required. You guys are happy with the test which you have given with us, maybe the similar pattern you got it, that is okay, but what you think? So let's start again. Just I want to remind in between. Just tell us about your more such tests.
Yes, sir.
Or do you
The
attempt to
Ignite
do
test and the NATA test are more or the similar, but in my test I got some numerical applying PCM questions, which was direct questions of maths and theoretical questions we got in PCM. There numerical application questions we got in physics, chemistry and maths. But that's okay. It's all normal, basic 12th, 11th, 12th maths.
Basic 12th, yeah. That's what, 45
questions.
Yeah.
And also, what I felt in Ignite test was advantages. You had that option of answering all the questions, and if you have time remaining, you had the option of going to the previous question and checking the answer whether we did the answer right or not. If we feel the answer is wrong, we can do it again and save the answer and come to next, skip to any other question like that in a particular part. But that was what I felt is for part B, for each and every question, like for part A, for each and every question, there is a specified time like that. If something is kept there, we would practice with the same flow, so that while on the original exam, we can get to know how much time should be spent for each and every question in part B. That one thing can be improved.
And
in your test for part B, you can mention the timing for each and every question. That would be done. Other than that, in that also, it was available of going to previous questions and checking the answer.
I think Haripriya, you have given the one test only, or more than one. How many tests you have given with us?
Yesterday I did only one test, sir.
One test, yeah. So
I did only one test.
Yeah. We had same pattern. If you will skip, you cannot come back to the question. Which pattern you followed was there for the regular student.
But
They
I
attended the
also followed all your test sessions and class sessions in the YouTube channel. So I was all these days followed
YouTube
your
channel.
test sessions and.
So it was helpful for you.
Sorry.
It was helpful
Yeah,
in the part
it was
A.
really
It was
helpful actually. But I didn't see the PCM part. The other part I saw all your discussions, test sessions, and all.
PCM. Some of you need to attend the some of the PCM class if you want. So it's in a reverse way. It was there. Not all classes we do not upload. All class we don't upload on YouTube.
Okay.
It is there in the class.
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Well, so I'll go to the ISAs he was talking about. So overall, part A, is that helpful for you, Isa?
Yes, sir. But I want to mention specifically that the principles we have learned, in options there were some new terms. Like I don't remember, it was something starting with D, and some
Yeah.
more terms. Like it was basic, but like I was like, what to select, like proper principles or those words, like they added intricacy, delicateness, and complexity, like some more words. So I was a bit confused, but I overcome that and I solved like what I think. And
Okay.
in part B, I think there were no questions related to history, like not a single question related to history of architecture. So like like I studied a lot about history of architecture before. Then I felt like not a single question, and I've spent a lot of time on that, and not a single question appeared. So it was a bit disappointing for me. And in part B also there were two questions related to a maths topic, logic, and even I think related to sets also there were many like two questions. I'm sure there were two questions related to sets. So I think we should a little bit focus on these two topics in part B. And overall, it's everything you taught us was almost good. Like it was almost same. But the basic
Part
thing I
A,
was not able to do was time management in part B. Like I finished all the question, but I was not able to give my 100% in each and every question.
so you also have given only one test with Ignite, right?
No, sir. I have given more than two tests.
Two tests. So did you attend the classes also, or you are just attended the test paper?
No, sir. I have attended classes also of PCM Part A and Part B.
Part B classes also you have attended. All right, all right. So you attended the all complete classes in the
Yes,
regular
sir.
batch, crash course batch.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Okay. So the test, why you have given only two test paper? Why don't you given the more
So
than
no, I said more than two test papers. More, I think 4 to 5 I have given test.
4 to 5? So let's plan for the second round accordingly, Isa. Okay.
So can I say
And
something?
when we were focused towards more part A in this preparation, right? Hello.
Can I say something, sir?
Am I audible? Yeah, please.
Yes, sir. So what she was telling, Isha, right now, the new word, it was datum, DATUM.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I didn't. I have never saw that word before. It was a new term, and initially I had a confusion about the time for total part B. I thought that it was separate time splits for like each question. We have got 45 seconds, but actually I was wrong. Total part section of aptitude and PCM had 45 minutes.
Okay.
And sir, I would like to add, like so told us strategy that first go for aptitude questions and then go for PCM. But when I log in, directly PCM question appeared. So that was a bit time consuming for me. And
Yeah,
PCM,
first question started with PCM.
yeah, and PCM question level were a bit high for me at least.
See, if you will see in the initial test, we had for each question the time, right? And you are supposed to solve the question and then you are supposed to go on next.
Yes.
First two tests, you have given that test?
No, I think first I have not given. No.
So I can say that for PCM, so as there is a total time limit for entire section, general aptitude and PCM, so we can give more time to PCM, and aptitude we can do this like in 25 to 30 seconds.
Yeah.
So, but it differ, like not in 20 to 25 seconds we can solve logic questions. Like there was some one question was there in logic. It took more than 25 seconds for me.
Oh. Well, anyone else want to say anything? Anyone else want to add anything in this? Their experience? How was the part A? What was the benefit? Other students
So for me,
want to
part
join the discussion?
it was really beneficial for me. Of all the topics that we Vijendra sir had taken about the principles of design and visual basics of design,
Okay.
those classes were really helpful for me because 3 questions of 16 marks came on the same topic.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It was
sir.
really helpful.
It was really very helpful.
It was on same topic.
Yeah, sir. All 3
Yes,
questions,
all on
16
principle
marks
of
were on
designs.
visual basics of design.
Great. Then though you must have given the right answers for all 3.
And all the 3 questions were black and white 2D images.
Yes.
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
So you have studied all these 3, right? Pattern similar, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
Great, great. So I'm happy to hear that confident. So part A we have taken as a remarkable big challenge, and we prepare and somehow we got the answers are. So that's really good. See, the part A is something where still there is a scope to improve, and I want out of 125, why don't we score more than 100 at least? So this time also I see all of you may score in 120 plus, that means 80 plus at least. 20-80 marks on an average everybody will have. So that should be the plan. Plan should be 100 plus in part A, 100, 110, 120, like that. This should be the plan. So do one thing, share your remark with Veena ma'am or Shalini ma'am, whomsoever is in your contact, so that we can improve that part and we can work on it. And we'll have another meeting on Monday. That's already Veena ma'am had planned. So we will share you the link and detail about it also. All right? Because the planning is very important. If you plan in strategy the next exam, which is on 12th, for that all this work is required. What happened in the exam? Getting it? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is very important to plan accordingly. So, how many of you have already filled the form for second round?
So me,
Yes, sir.
Isha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So almost everyone has done it. If not, then you can wait till the third result also. If you are already done, then just leave it. Take it as a trial. Trial is done, over now. Okay. So let's move on the next. And just give the planning strategy today. Today itself you have to do it. You cannot wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow you can take a break. You know. So now if you will sit down and write, you can write it down. Okay, क्या हुआ, क्या mistake हुआ, क्या improve करना है, किस चीज पे काम करना है. Okay. If somebody found a very hard paper, that means you haven't attended the class. Okay. I would like to suggest for those students, go through the all content and material. You will get to know. Paper A, I don't think paper 1 was the hard. Paper B was unexpected question was there. But that was there for everyone, not for you only.
Yeah.
So overall, the marking will come down. So if I will see the performance of the students is really good in compared to other, because this is the competitive entrance exam. Now
Yeah.
I will come to the cut-off marks. This year cut-off will be again in between 70 to 80, the minimum cut-off for any college. The
Okay.
ideal and good marks will be 120 plus, and the best marks will be counted for 150 plus. I thought
Okay.
this year was very easy. A student may have 170, 180 plus, but nahi, 150 plus is very good marks if somebody will score this year. Because from 1 p.m. I do have a session with many batch and students and online contact. I see at least 10 to 15% student was not able to write the test only,
Mm.
or the rest who have given the test, they had a problem is they are not very much friendly. जैसे आप लोगों के साथ हो रहा ना, many of you have video is not on, or maybe you are not comfortable, or app का test हो रहा था, तो why we are writing the test in app? Remember we had a test on Zoom also. If you have given,
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yes,
We
sir.
make sure that every possible way, however it will come, we are ready for that. Or that was helpful for you, because when I compare our student with others, so there that is the gap. Because many of the students, they were not prepared. Day of the exam, today morning also I got a message saying that, do we have drawing question in the exam?
Actually, sir, what do you think? The same kind of pattern can be followed the next time also, or for the next year also, or this would be better?
Haripriya, next year so we'll see, but this year again, if you ask me, we'll go on a broader aspect. We'll
No,
not go in
no,
direct.
I just want to know whether having part A as a drawing part and part B as MCQ and stuff, that is better, or this way is much more better, sir, for not a aspirant, even
Well,
for this year.
this year only, if you will see, second round will be the online again, because after 10 days, there is no doubt. Second questions is that the pattern is same. We cannot always believe and trust, okay, it will be the same, because if you will read your admit card also, it was very clearly mentioned, for 17 marks question, you will have 4 options.
Mm.
And what
Sorry
happened
to
in 17
interrupt,
marks
sir.
question?
We are only left with 4 minutes.
Yes, I know, sir. So
Yes, sir.
it was mentioned there, 4 options will be there, like how you have in 16 marks question, the same pattern. It is there in admit card. Please read the
Yeah,
instruction.
yeah.
the instruction.
No,
But
I'm
what
just,
happened in the exam?
sir.
What happened in exam? Tell me.
Yeah, I didn't get any problem in writing the exam or seeing the questions and all. I got problem in between the part B questions. While I was doing 37th question, they immediately skipped to 39th. I was not able to attempt the 38th and 40th question. The 2 question alone I was not able to attempt. They immediately
Yes, so
skipped.
that's for that we need to practice more and more set of test paper.
Okay.
We need to plan our exam. We need to practice certain things. We need to understand part B is a very vast. In case if we'll prepare also, they may change the pattern.
Yeah.
So, because part B is very lengthy, very lengthy. You cannot practice it. Part A, you have a better grip. So within a
Yeah.
day, 1 week or 10 days, you guys can improve your part A.
Definitely, yeah. But also,
Part A-
I've been
Yes.
used to this part B and part A, both the kind of questions. But since for the part B kind of questions, it's almost some 4 years or 3 years when I wrote my JE and all. So part A is not a problem, because all the time we get to know information related to that, right? So we can
Okay.
adopt it within few days. But then part B was a bit, I didn't have touch all these days, since it's 4 years or something.
Yeah.
And also the other thing, what I want to know is, the same pattern will be followed for the second attempt, or it will be different, sir?
Yes, so I will conclude this session now. Quoted to Rajvardhan, Haripriya, Chaitra, Rajni, Srishti, Shalini, Veena, and all of you. It was a great session where you guys have shared your experience, I will tell you again, for second exam, we have to focus all of you, and we have to plan the strategy so that we can score 110, 120, 125 out of 125 in part A. Part B is a very vast. Again, we'll prepare and try to get the maximum, but we cannot ensure it in this 10 days preparation. We cannot complete. Only math also if we start, we cannot complete. So second attempt is on, yeah, got it, Sally. Second attempt is on 12th of September. The last date of filling the form is 4th. Make sure, guys, share your all experience. Go follow the Ignite India Instagram. Let us know your detail and share your experience with Veena ma'am and Saldi ma'am. We will make sure we will have a best result. And do not forget to share this result and review also. So my number is 9972046911. Share your experience and doubt. Okay, and that is for a WhatsApp. Send me your message. Send me the video feedback. We'll share with the students. It would be helpful for others also.